Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Anneliese on Dress to Impress from Princess and the Pauper. For the hair, I just use this here, and I also use this hair in this position, Y at 0.54 and Z at 0.68, rotate it a little bit at 0.53 and scaled it. Actually, I didn't scale it, never mind. I didn't scale it. And then we're just going to go here, we're going to get kind of the similar things to the Erica version. I'm just going to add glitter here though, and then I'm just going to use this color here, E79482, and then for the sleeves we're going to use these sleeves again, only sleeves in this color, and then in this color D3AD89. Then we're going to use this in only skirt as well in that same pink, in glitter here. Forgot you can color that. And then for the shoes, I'm just going to use this one in that same pink. I don't really know what shoe she wears, so I'm just going to do that. Then for the skirt, we're going to use this again, only skirt in that same pink, in glitter. And that skirt as well. Where is it? Layer only in that same pink in glitter. It's more of a peachy tone, to be honest, but then we're going to use this corset here, and then we're going to color it this color. Do I need to do silk? Let's do like a light silk. And then we're going to use this for gold, C49253 in metallic for toggle 2 and 3 here. And then also toggle 4. And then the rest we're going to use the same color here. And then we do need VIP for this, for the crown. And then this too. She does wear a cape as well, but in the kind of Erica color. I'll do silk on that, and I'm going to use that too in that blue color. And then for the crown, I'm just going to use this in that gold color as well. I'm just going to kind of adjust it later. Here, I'll adjust it here. Let's do 2, and I'm just going to scale it a little bit, and I'm just going to position it so it fits her a little bit better, like so. And that is how you can create Princess Anneliese, I almost said Erica, from Princess and the Pauper. Again, one of my favorite movies growing up. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.